Hi, y'all. Welcome to Truck Talk. Hey, this one's for realtors. If you are not going to educate yourself on the rules of a VA loan, FHA loan, conventional, a 1031, if you're not going to learn the rules, then don't do the transactions. If you cannot tell someone definitively what is right and what is wrong, then educate yourself. If you're not willing to educate yourself, don't do the transaction. Sorry to be so harsh, but is the way it is. We educate ourselves. I'm a realtor for a reason. If I don't know the answer, I will never tell my client, I don't know, and leave it at that. I will always tell you, I may not know the complete answer, but let me do some research and I'll find it out. Don't cut yourself short. And if you're a client, make sure you're with an educated realtor or someone who will learn the correct answers for you. Sorry to be so harsh, but it is what it is.